ago.
I just seen everything.
All of the timeline, everything.
I just seen everything. The 2 video, yeah, him walk up and you're on the phone with her.
She ain't up on the phone.
You're on the phone with her.
Cause she know say them a come. She know. She know in her dirty blood self say them a forward, you know.
Cause she. Oh wow. She said I don't even want to go. If you trying to get me in drama with her.
But she, I tell me if you delete them, I send my account number, them here, the whole of them drunk your contact. Bro.
Watch her. And then you're gonna say you're gonna sue somebody over a camera that's over your head.
Oh, you sue me for me own a camera with that?
And then you're passively agreeing. Nicki, you calm down, man. Nicki, somebody hurts you. That's why I'm telling you, no matter how much money I have for no blood, miserable. That's why I'm gonna give who have name.
No, you can read them again for them. All me want tell them.
Nobody can tell me.
One thing me I go tell you, no, me did have to move
you're
from
lucky,
my yard.
You're not get liar. You're lucky.
Mama, let me tell you something. I had to move from my yard. Me get about 9 different death threats. People all inbox me the address where me used to live. Them blast me address to every clot body. My phone number, them all of them class sitting there, bro. You hear me? I tell you, I in a car, me have to sit down from Airbnb to Airbnb, so till me fight. I want a blood clot, tell me some man, I'm doing. When I come clot about prank, I know for when I'm glad for sister me, when the world want me dead so much, me glad. So me I never like Naya and Busset for day and for see it. On the rejoice over the bumper clot, bro. Like, that the whole long time, bro. Like,
that money what I've done. If you have them dead now,
know one time
what would we talking about? That's what I want to know.
As I'm telling you, I won't leap at them when you see right there, so well want to see me dead. Believe me. You understand me? Me never see so much people rejoice over me downfall and wanted to see me dead. The amount of comments I read, and I realize, how the bumper clot this year? Every single one of them want to see me dead. All of them. And the whole of them run for one prank narrative so much. Because them so glad to see somebody out to kill them. They are so glad to see somebody come and me yard come violate me. Them glad you fuck. I one of the best day of them pussy clot life. But now your funeral I go show you. And Busset funeral don't show you. None of them no rate. None of them never did bumbo clot go more. Mom, me talk about them again. Listen to what me I say, mom. You talk and leave. That's why I say me no why you say nothing. Me just talk and leave. Me just glad for there and see it. So how much I want glad for glad. None of them were coming on my yard. Put no night there. Remember me pray every night. Me no business clot have. I would have never run no prank like that for my life. My father friend them going me at 3 o'clock in the morning. Clot rest. You hear me I tell you? Tie him up in one corner. Yay. All time. No boy can come on me yard mass up in a nothing and tell me say I no blood clot prank. You hear me I tell you? And nobody gonna pay me for bumbo clot hold down my trauma. Go suck out on no
Yo, this message is crazy. I'm sorry. Rossclot. These messages is crazy. Or they can't unmute.
Shit with 2 slices of bread, but 1 black them. Move your blood clot. Go name them. Name it.
I don't know, Make sure you manage. Go ahead. Make sure you manage them. One at a time. I ain't got time.
Come use your tongue and laba juice all our corruption from blood clots me. Come laba juice my corruption and cleanse me.
I never do it.
I hear my mama, I don't want class nobody over your life,
Queenie, my business. We know where you pay the money for. Me not look.
And now let my eye no catch something make my mouth jump.
Me not blood clot, look.
Them enough.
I hear them first pretty than a lie. Me couldn't back up. Me couldn't back up.
This
is crazy.
People love to support. We don't care if it's 1 or 2 blend them. He did a fuckery business and it's very shady. And I don't understand why on is in support of fuckery. It's violated somebody's space. Block them tutorial.
Yo, this is crazy.
It is. It's
I
very
wish y'all would.
manipulating as
I'm not even
well.
going to say wish because I know the outcome. Y'all come to my door.
Yeah, she tell Pretty Dan, oh, Pretty Dan cuss out so much in people
So
and
wait,
all of that.
Yeah.
Don't you know that now?
That's
Don't you know that now?
that's
You know, Pretty Dan stand up to her for truth. I went she said to try and pretty like she said, oh, because I'm not Sir Popcorn, yeah? I'm not
yeah.
Sir Popcorn. I remember clearly well.
I was
And
on the
so Pretty
live.
Dan, so what do you think if yeah, my mouth right, you know, I'm at my talk, Queenie babes.
Queenie, stop paying him the mind.
Yeah. And she said, oh, what may I do, what may I have to do forget respect around there? You
Yo,
have to
these
stand up
messages
two
is
man.
wow.
You make two man run up on your foot. However, she said it was there, it was said. So Pretty Dan did not fall for what she want and the Sunday for real. I remember me was
Queenie
right
did
here
love
sitting
life
on my
too.
say, Bumble clock,
Queenie
my
did
rate
love
Pretty
life.
Dan.
She da collect
Cause
the
Pretty Dan
lion
no
them she
fall for the
alright.
trap.
I ain't got time. Yo, this is crazy.
Me a ball over Nicki, no ball, me a ball for Nicki. Me not ball over, me a ball for her.
Nikki need to just go on and come out of the community. You attach yourself to the wrong thing right now because this no look good. Me not understand though how you have so much money and miserable to blood clot. Me could have never miserable. Me sorry. Me always me. Hey, me not understand. Like look where you in certain
Listen, the
stuff.
rich one stoop down to the lower, to the poor, and the poor one go up to the rich level. I
This
just
is
like,
crazy.
it is crazy.
Cause
Yeah.
it's passive aggressive. Even when you're gonna tell, that's like me confiding in you or telling you something and you're using everything against me to play on my emotions.
Hey, me feel say I'm just go for bad up damn Pretty Dan and I expect say to that turn out so
Yeah,
God
I
no.
think Nicki think Britain did not go take the money.
Yes. Them
Everybody,
never know Pretty Dan.
because
Let me tell you something.
everybody supposed to live nice and safe and the peace and safety thing and she run them.
Mama, you see what people don't understand that because you're vulgar and low don't mean you don't have a sensitivity towards yourself as a person.
Yup.
You see, from popcorn, something the way oh, Mr. Pretty Dan, it take that toll and Pretty Dan, Mr. Bumbleclot, the girl ever had. She's not as rough as she behave.
I always tell
And people
people
don't
though when I
understand
cuss
when you're
her.
up on the internet, I behave like a and piggy wicked swine. It's different than when you're in your home. It's totally different. Your home, your house, your doorstep. It's a total, total, total,
You know,
total,
sir, if it
total,
wasn't, if it
total.
was a different female and it wasn't Pretty Dan, the story would be different. A true Pretty Dan cuss people. And
Yeah, that's how
that's
them
what
do
it
her
is.
stuff.
And this is why I
Yeah.
can't take people seriously because right is right and wrong is wrong. You have to know how to separate the fucking two.
Jude. Jesus.
Well, I'm telling
Not?
you have to know if to separate the two. And everybody knows that, first of all, there wouldn't be no blame them. There wouldn't be half of y'all niggas if it wasn't for Pretty Dan. Pretty
Jude.
Dan is the biggest negative blogger when she cuss out people. And in real life, when these people see her, all right, popcorn, kind of love you. Even when Nicki talk about Sir Popcorn and she not go do certain thing. Popcorn not go put him on for no woman or go pull out no gun or deal with her nowhere.
You just tell her, say, don't be another part. Be
Like
another
stop, yeah, go
different
down
part.
there, sub. Like me not ramp with you.
Yeah.
Right now, when me hear everybody a ball out to me, everybody knows the popcorn a ramp for Backstone blood clot man or fiend people, them a ramp for Backstone people.
And him never do her nothing. Him just tell her, don't be there, sir.
Yeah, so who is you for go yard? And then in the message though, why Nicki I got tell her say about popcorn did this like you're trying to guilt trip her on not
Yes.
making a
Yeah,
police
yeah,
report.
yeah. All
That's
right.
fucking
So we're not
crazy.
idiot.
That crazy.
Oh, yeah, me think she just a must. But by feel she do it to her in her message. Just to say, she
Listen,
jealous of popcorn and the way how she present herself with popcorn. Such as the email, show your blood
listen,
clot this.
enough I wanna dep on bomber clot social media run off in the mouth. I went problem take on that's why me make on know say my mother me and a social media person and on a run gone. A lot of y'all niggas is talking all that shit. When a nozzle is at your in your face, it's a different energy.
Me supposed to blood clot chatter cause she promised me and trick me said burn
Bomber
me. Who the
clot.
blood
you know,
clot?
say
You
up
burn
here.
me. That is something progressive
I
towards my
guess not. Take him
rascal
down.
career. I should build up my hopes and put my power and pedestal and then blood clot, make her dirty blood clot, fat, all fat, slam them. Blood clot, kick me off a pedestal. So I burn me so me a chatter.
Yo, I'm, you know what it is? It's this whole situation is fucked up.
Thank God me get back sick of rhyme.
Yo, this whole situation is fucked up. These messages is crazy. Pretty
It
done
is
all I do.
Momo, what a message.
Summer Queen.
God,
Say
she get
thank
back
God
her
me get
sticker
back sick of
rhymes.
rhyme. Me not busy with nobody else in the world.
They say you're not for worry about song again. Make them fuck off.
No, from me a cigarette, me got every song and all the song them that I
One
want.
sticker.
If burn me out, she promise me for truth I have me a stretch me out like blood clot, elastic. How long?
Oh God, I make Queenie seem crazy.
Me say, want see me all in a star.
Blood clot.
Me not lie, me try do it. It was a good effort. It was a good effort.
Yo, you know what this is to me? It's like TikTok is a chessboard and she's bored and she's just using these niggas as pawns.
I just had a little fun, but
This
guess
is
what
her
happened? She
Netflix
talk
and
what
she
she don't mean as
controls
well,
everybody.
Momo.
That shit is weird as fuck to me. Yo, you don't have no self-worth to blood clot. Tell them all
No,
the while.
sir.
Me, could I reach? Out of all places come sit up on TikTok.
Because we're very entertaining in the moment. You have to remember that,
That's true.
We're very entertaining, so we hook her. But what happened? She
That's
didn't
true. That's
realize
true.
that she segregate the people them the way she do the things them. Because let me tell you something. You know why me cuss her? Because me saw a scream record when she come and she said, blame them. You gotta blame to them. I said, blood clot, so she encourage him. Says when me see him trouble me, I say, he a trouble for blood, trouble me, a trouble all I wanna know.
Or you ask Nicki no know me. My business if Nick Clark know me.